All right, so now we're going to talk about the print function. We've already used the print function a little bit, but I want to go ahead and show you some more in depth. So the print function is basically just represented with the word print and followed by parentheses. And then the one thing about the print function is it can handle an unlimited number. Well, I don't know about an unlimited number, but it can hold multiple parameters. A parameter, as far as we're going to define it for this class, is the space that we put data into in a parentheses of a function. The space, it's a space location, not the actual data. So if we look at this print function right here, it actually has three parameters. We know that because commas outside of strings separate parameters. So we have a string parameter, IM, we have a variable call inside of this parameter, and then we have the final parameter, which is years old. And if we run this, we end up with I am 10 years old, because Y is the parameter, or is the call to the variable Y that holds 10. So I am 10 years old. Now, let's look at a different one. So this is basically a print command that we are going to use to print out a mathematical equation. And if we look, we have a parameter here with making a call to the variable x. We have a parameter here, which is a string parameter with a plus sign in it. We can tell it's a string because it's got the single quotes on it. We have a parameter here that is making a call to the variable y. We have a parameter here that is the string of the equal sign. And then we have our final parameter for this print statement right here, or print function, sorry, right here, which is the mathematical equation x plus y. And when we do that, we should see a 12 come out of the result of that. So when we run this, 2 plus 10 equals 12. So that is how you would print out a mathematical equation, which you will be asked to do later.